1927, a new era in transportation begins. Nearly 100 years ago, Bluebird made history when we designed the world's very first school bus, and we've been leading the way ever since. Because your child's safety is our business. Yesterday, today, always. In 1939, we set the industry standard, choosing school bus yellow paint as the safety color still used on buses to this day. And in the decades that followed, we've continued to innovate like no one else. Now, only Bluebird is taking safety to the next level. The safest vehicle on the road is about to get even safer.
We're looking at everything from research to funding to figure out how to help everybody nationwide get their kids even safer.
If there could be seatbelts on those school buses, then obviously that would improve the protection for those students.
And we know seatbelts save lives.
The NTSB, NHTSA, the National Safety Council, NASTIPS, the American Pediatrics Association, and more have recommended every school bus be equipped with lap shoulder belts for every student. In 2024, only Bluebird is answering the call. Beginning this year, lap and shoulder belts will be standard safety equipment on all of our buses. Because we want only the best for our kids, we've partnered with IMMI Safeguard, the market leader, providing school bus seats that are engineered, tested, and manufactured like no other. And we're not stopping there. Drivers deserve the next level of safety too. That's why only Bluebird will offer front airbags as standard safety equipment beginning next year. With IMMI's 4-front advanced safety, drivers can count on the same frontal protection they get in passenger cars in 2025. That's taking safety, technology, and innovation to the next level. That's leadership. That's Bluebird.